Welcome to Brahms Lanka, Pedureva. Careless father. People are of different characters. This is yet another character. By name, he is Edmund. He never gets angry. His friends used to punch him. He always thanked them with a smile. He never believed about the dangers, even in epidemics. He never adhered to the principles of COVID-19. He never used a mask or listened to the rules declared by the health organization. He lived with risk to be arrested for his failure to wear a mask. His two clever boys and his wife lived with fear-stricken. One day, his two clever boys decided to teach a lesson to their father. They decided to rid father from his illusionary belief. His house was situated facing the main road. There was a balcony just above the main entrance to the house. His two sons took a bucket of water to the balcony and mixed it with some arak, kind of liquor used in Sri Lanka. From the father's bottle, they saw father returning home after work. Then they threw some coins to fall near the door. Father, without opening the door, went to pick up the coins. Then the boys poured the bucket of water on his back. All his suit was wet. He looked up and said, "Oh, thank you. Come dear, I have brought some sweets for you." They ran down and removed his shoes and kept them outside the door. They helped him to get a bath, and his wife gave him new clothes to dress up. Then they sat for the dinner. He asked, "Why all these differences today?" "It is to make you understand that we should follow the rules prevailing in the country. We have no permission to do as we wish." So he promised to follow the rules of the health department concerning COVID-19. He received a hearty kiss from all the three and sat before the TV with a smiling face. Upasaka Appuhami. Formerly he was known as Appuhami. Due to his saintly behavior and the devotion to religion, he got that additional name Upasaka. Now his name is Upasaka Appuhami. One day at about 4 a.m., someone knocked at his door. Before he opened the door, he was informed, "Appuhami, your shop at the junction is being robbed. All the doors are open, just go and see." By the time he opened the door, the one who brought the news had disappeared. Appuhami was furious. He took out his dilapidated and rusty sword and ran out. He accused the thief with the filthiest word never heard by the villagers before. The people living on both sides of the road opened their doors to know why Appuhami was shouting. So the people here in this accused the thief. The shop was about half a mile away from home. He found the shop was intact. On way back home, he abused the man who brought the news. They wondered how this saintly man, who knew Buddhist stanzas, came to know so much filthy words we have never heard. When they were discussing this, a boy passing them on the road said, "Don't you know, today is April 1st, the Fool's Day." Then we come to Karalasatha. One day a villager went to a bookshop. When the salesman asked why he had come, he said, "I want to buy Karalasatha book for my son. He is in the 4th standard." Hearing this, others began to laugh. "Sorry, it is not Karalasatha, it is Saralakatha," said he. So he bought the book and went away. When he went back to his village, the people began to shout out, there the Karalasatha is coming. Since that day, he was named Karalasatha. Even after his death, he was known as Karalasatha.